Yeah. You hear that? Oh yeah. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. How y'all doing today, you guys? I sound okay, but I'm not feeling 100. But we have to get on with our day. And my day start like this. Woke up this morning, see my babies off, big babies off to work, little babies off to school, wobble and drop him to school, and I wobbled back home. The walk this morning to school wasn't so bad as all the other days of the week, so the walk was good this morning. Got back home, had breakfast, and then 2 seconds later I'm hanging over holding my hair back. Okay, I vomit my life out. TMI. But this is reality of this is the reality of my life. This is the reality of being pregnant for me. This is my journey, and I am sharing everything with you guys. So I vomit my life out this morning, peed on myself because when I was pregnant with Tyler, I'm pregnant with Sarah now. Every time I vomit, that happens. There's no shame in my game. That's the reality of my journey, okay? So that happens, and I had some Powerade kind of calm my stomach down, and got me a shower, got fresh, and now I just had me a bowl of cereal to get on the road because I am heading to my 37 weeks monitoring doctor's appointment. So I have to go to see my nurse today for about 30 minutes. I'll be monitoring baby girl to see how she's doing. They'll give me my update and I'll be well back on my way home. But baby's out of town today, so I'll be doing this doctor appointment on my own, but that's okay. Your girl got this. I'm okay. So I have to leave in advance to be on time because I have to take my jolly little time and walk. I cannot walk fast. I have to walk super slow. Though the doctor that I'm going is not far away from home. I just have to take one bus and a little tram ride and I'll be there. The bus ride is like 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 7 minutes, 8 minutes. And the tram ride is like about 3 minutes or less. So I'm not going too far. And then yeah, that's what's going on with me. I'll give you guys updates when I leave the doctor how the 37 weeks has been going for me. But honey, it's rough, but I'll give you in detail more what has been going on. Sarah is here. There she is, as big and as round as can be. That's my outfit of the day. I am in a leggings and a little top just to be comfortable because that's my policy these days, comfy or nothing. Okay, so if you see me in something, don't say, Mel, why you don't wear something else to be comfortable? Girl, if I wasn't comfortable, I wouldn't have it on in the first place. Note. Anyway, you guys, my bag is packed and I have the bus in 10 minutes. No, I mean, I have the bus in 20 minutes and the bus stop is 2 minutes away. So I'm gonna get my slippers on, get my butt up, and go and catch the bus in a bit. So hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully you guys are staying blessed, staying loved, staying motivated. I love you guys, and I'll give you guys updates when I leave the doctor or on my way or something. But I'll see you guys throughout the day. Okay, lots of love. If it's your first time to our channel, be sure to subscribe and catch up and keep up with our journey. Just a little under 3 weeks to go to see Princess Sarah make her arrival into this world, and I'm super excited. I can't wait. I am not even a little bit nervous. I'm so excited. I'm so zen. I'm so calm, and I am so ready to just push her out. But I'm not in any rush. Whenever she's ready, Mama is ready for you, girl. Anyway, see you guys in a bit. You guys, I am here at the doctor and I want to sleep so bad. I can't hang to save my life. Oh my god. And this little girl is, she's definitely her mother's child because she's a dancer. She just keeps going and going and going non-stop. There we are. And there she's over there. You hear that? Contraction. Hear that? You hear that? Oh yeah. Oh. She's just going non-stop going. But anyway, I'm gonna just relax. And I'll be here for the next 30 minutes. So let's do this. So I am basically coming on the following day to pick up where I left off with you guys. I think I was at the doctor laying on that bed doing my monitoring, and when I left the doctor yesterday, I came straight home, walk like a turtle. When I got home, I was so tired. I had something to eat and I went straight to bed. I went to lay down, and the day just went by yesterday, and picked Tyler up from school, and the day just went by so fast. I didn't get to pick up the camera because I was just resting all day. So I'm just coming on to give you guys basically an update of my 37 weeks, how it has been going and what are the latest. I am still having contractions from the doctor. I had some big ones while I was at the doctor yesterday and some small ones, but nothing alarming, nothing to worry about. Baby girl is sitting really low. It feels like she's literally in my vajayjay playing. Literally, she is heading to about 7 pounds at this point. She's a little bit over 6. But I go to see my OBGYN in 2 weeks if I make it that far. So you guys will be definitely getting an update from that. But my addiction right now is this Powerade. I am addicted to Powerade. I can't stop drinking it because it's the only thing that makes me feel okay. I have been TMI vomiting a lot. Day before yesterday, I vomit my life out. Yesterday, I vomit again. And I am back to the stage where, just like first trimester, when I had no appetite and I wanted nothing around me to eat, That's how I'm feeling now. Is like eating is the hardest. When I say is eating is the hardest, I mean I don't want to cook. Once I'm to cook, and you guys know that I love to cook, once I'm to cook is like the entire world is on my head. I hate cooking right now. If the food is presented to me, then I'll eat it. But if not, I don't want it. So I have to literally force myself to prepare something properly to eat and not eat crap. But I'm trying, y'all. I'm trying. So yeah, that's what's been going on with me at the moment. So baby girl is doing well. That's most important. She's still as active as can be, and I'm still having those contractions every now and then. I can't sit up for an hour. I sit up and then boom, I have to lay down, and lay down I have to take my time. And I can tell that her head is engaged because now I use the toilet to pee more than ever. So, and I'm breathing better than how I used to. You remember when I used to talk and I used to go, it's, the breathing is not that bad. So you can tell that she's really engaged and she's ready to pop out mama's stomach. So I am trying to just continue to rest. And on my mission today, I'll be going to pack my husband's hospital bag, I think, because that's the last thing I need to do. And then we'll be ready. So today's video is just going to be me rambling about my 37 weeks update and just giving you guys a little idea of what has been going on with you, girl. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, and I know you guys miss Babe and Tyler today, but of course you'll see them tomorrow. Okay, love you guys. Subscribe if it's your first time to our channel, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.